Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today. We're about to explore how you can transform the way your organization plans, executes, and delivers projects using ServiceNow's comprehensive project management platform. The title of today's presentation is Project Management in ServiceNow, Streamlining Success. Over the next few minutes, we'll cover the key features and benefits of this powerful platform and how it can help your team work smarter and more efficiently. Let's get started. Let's talk about real-time insights across all project activities. With this approach, you get complete visibility into what's happening at every stage, allowing you to make informed decisions quickly. Support for traditional, agile, and hybrid approaches means you're not limited to one methodology. You can choose the best fit for your project and switch between them seamlessly. Flexible methods give you the freedom to adapt your workflows as needed, while clear start and end dates, along with milestone tracking, help you stay on schedule and measure progress effectively. This integration removes the friction of switching between multiple tools, so your team can stay focused and maintain momentum, which is crucial for delivering value. ServiceNow Project Management offers a unified platform where you can manage projects with well-defined start and end points, scope and budget controls, all within a single, cohesive environment. It's designed to support traditional waterfall, agile sprints, or hybrid approaches, making your project management streamlined and adaptable. So when we ask, what is project management in ServiceNow? The answer is simple. It's about providing a comprehensive, flexible, and integrated solution that helps you deliver projects successfully from start to finish. Let's start by looking at how we can dynamically allocate resources to maximize both productivity and agility. This means constantly adjusting and balancing workloads, so no team is overwhelmed or underutilized. By doing this, we can identify capacity constraints early, before they turn into bottlenecks that slow down progress. Moving on to optimized resources, it's crucial that we prioritize initiatives based on strategic business outcomes, potential ROI, and our organizational goals. This way, every project we undertake is aligned with what truly drives value for the company. Now, to tie everything together, we need a unified view of all demand requests, resource capacity, and active projects across the entire enterprise. No more scattered spreadsheets or disconnected systems. Centralizing this information ensures we have clear visibility and better decision-making. And that's where ServiceNow's project portfolio management capabilities come into play. They give leaders a comprehensive, centralized command center, making it easier to oversee all initiatives and ensure they align with our strategic objectives. Ultimately, this approach empowers us to plan more effectively, allocate resources smartly, and deliver measurable value across the organization. Empower leaders and teams with live data, interactive dashboards, and instant insights that transform how projects are monitored and managed. When you have real-time visibility, you're not just reacting to issues after they happen, you're proactively making smarter decisions on the spot. This means dashboards that are interactive, giving you the ability to drill down into details instantly, and data that's always up to date. The key here is that by providing immediate access to critical information, we enable teams to respond faster, optimize project performance, and ultimately drive better outcomes. This approach aligns perfectly with our overall goal of creating smarter, more agile organizations that thrive in today's fast-paced environment. Let's talk about capturing the actual time spent on tasks. This is essential for driving accurate financial reporting and gaining clear utilization insights. When team members log their time accurately, it helps us understand where resources are being used and how projects are progressing. Plus, streamlined approval workflows ensure timesheets are kept current without unnecessary delays, making the entire process much more efficient. Now, moving on to timecard management. The goal here is to align the right people with the right work at exactly the right time. By leveraging skills-based matching and capacity planning, we can ensure that each team member's skills are utilized effectively across all projects. This not only boosts productivity, but also helps prevent burnout and keeps everyone engaged in the right tasks at the right moments. Finally, let's look at resource management. Planning, tracking, and managing tasks becomes much easier with visual dependency mapping. The drag-and-drop scheduling feature allows us to make adjustments quickly and effortlessly, while still maintaining the integrity of the critical path. This means we can adapt to changes on the fly, keep projects on track, and ensure that resources are allocated optimally for success. Cross-functional transparency is really about breaking down silos within an organization, and that's crucial for accelerating delivery. When teams can see and share information openly, work moves faster and more smoothly. Enterprise collaboration plays a key role here because it enables everyone to work together seamlessly. Real-time data synchronization is another vital component. It eliminates the need for manual data entry, which not only saves time but also reduces errors that can occur when information is entered manually. The goal is to keep data consistent and up to date across all systems. And speaking of systems, the automated updates ensure that all modules, whether it's IT service management, risk, HR, or finance, are working as one integrated unit. This integration creates a connected workflow that streamlines processes across departments. When these modules work together, they form what I like to call a true enterprise nervous system. Information flows automatically and freely, creating a more responsive and agile organization. ServiceNow Project Management isn't just a standalone tool. It's a connected hub that links various departments and workflows throughout your organization. This interconnected approach ensures that everyone is on the same page and that information moves smoothly across the enterprise. Finally, the entire ServiceNow ecosystem is designed for seamless integration. This integration across different modules and tools creates an environment where workflows are interconnected, making the organization more resilient and adaptable. It's all about creating a unified, intelligent system that supports your business goals efficiently. Let's take a closer look at this key insight. When we combine improved visibility, optimized resources, and streamlined workflows, we actually create a compounding effect. Each of these improvements amplifies the others, leading to even greater overall results. For example, by enhancing executive reporting and dashboards, we've doubled the speed at which strategic decisions are made. That means faster, more informed choices that keep projects moving forward. On the resource side, dynamic allocation and skills-based matching have significantly boosted how efficiently we use our resources across all project teams, by about 25%. And on top of that, Company X managed to eliminate project delays altogether by improving planning and gaining real-time risk visibility through ServiceNow PPM. That's a 30% reduction in delays, which is a game changer for project delivery. All these improvements are not just isolated wins, they're interconnected. Organizations leveraging ServiceNow project management are seeing transformative results across key performance indicators. This real-world impact really highlights how a holistic approach can drive substantial business success. Now, as we move forward, it's crucial to track adoption metrics closely, gather feedback from your teams, and continuously refine your processes. Remember, incremental improvements might seem small at first, but over time, they build up into major gains that can significantly impact your project success. Next, monitoring and optimizing are ongoing efforts. Make sure to regularly review how your teams are using the tools and adjust as needed to keep everything running smoothly. Training is fundamental. Train project managers, team members, and stakeholders on resource management and timecard tools. Hands-on practice helps build confidence and competence, which ultimately leads to better project execution. Leveraging pre-built templates and customizing project workspaces is another key step. Standardization not only speeds up adoption, but also ensures consistency across different teams and projects, making management more streamlined. Configuring workspaces to match your specific workflows helps teams work more efficiently and reduces confusion. Aligning projects with your organizational objectives and defining clear success criteria ensure everyone is working toward the same goals and that you're focusing on initiatives with the greatest business impact. Finally, successful implementation is all about thoughtful planning and following a structured approach. By following these essential steps, you set your teams up for success from day one and maximize your investment in ServiceNow project management. As we look toward the future, it's important to recognize how our platform is designed to grow with you. From small teams to large, global enterprises, it scales seamlessly to handle increasing organizational complexity and ambition. This means you don't have to worry about outgrowing your tools. Our platform evolves alongside your business needs. We also prioritize continuous updates to stay ahead of the curve. These updates support the latest agile frameworks, hybrid methodologies, and emerging best practices, ensuring you're always working with the most current and effective approaches. Another key aspect is our use of machine learning algorithms. These provide predictive recommendations that help with risk mitigation and resource optimization, keeping potential issues at bay and helping you make smarter decisions faster. Finally, our platform is future-ready. It constantly evolves by harnessing emerging technologies, yet remains flexible enough to adapt to your unique needs. This ensures that as project management landscapes change, your tools will be ready to meet those new challenges, keeping you innovative and competitive in the years to come. Let's get started on your journey to project management excellence with ServiceNow. Are you ready to transform your project delivery? By leveraging strategic portfolio management and data-driven decision-making, you can significantly improve how you execute and oversee projects. This approach helps ensure that your initiatives are aligned with your business goals and deliver measurable value to your organization. Deliver with confidence by executing initiatives that truly matter, those that support your strategic objectives and produce real results. Next, it's essential to prioritize strategically. Bringing all your projects, resources, and stakeholders into one unified platform gives you complete visibility and control. This way, you can make smarter decisions, allocate resources effectively, and keep everyone aligned. And finally, centralizing everything with ServiceNow unlocks your project potential. It's about having a single source of truth, streamlining workflows, and enabling a proactive, agile project management approach. So, let's harness these concepts to unlock the full potential of your projects and drive success across your organization.